Alrighty, so AT&T formed the Antenna Solutions Group about a year ago, and our goal is to improve the wireless service for our customers. And so we work closely with the network planning and engineering team with AT&T to both build the network from the outside in vis-a-vis the macro network, but our charter is to build a network from the inside out. So what we're doing is we're installing distributed antenna system solutions in large public venues like airports, shopping centers, colleges, stadiums, and the like. So what we're doing is our preferred business model is actually to go in as the neutral host provider and build out a neutral host system allowing other wireless carriers to join on to our wireless network. But if there is an existing system in place, we're more than willing to join in and get on the wireless network provided it meets our standards. So some of the problems that we've seen with the improvements in wireless technology, for instance, LTE and mobile WiMAX require MIMO, multiple input, multiple output, in order to achieve the higher data rates. And so oftentimes the older systems are not capable of supporting the newer technologies. So, you know, it may be appropriate for us to get on a system, an existing system, but also in many instances, in order to support the newer technology, we may have to do a rip and replace. But it's largely determined on a case-by-case basis. The reason why we prefer to go in as the neutral host provider is largely because, you know, we already have experience working with the other wireless carriers. Once a distributed antenna system solution has been built, we turn it over to our towers group. AT&T Towers has over 10,000 towers, and those properties are then marketed and sold to the other wireless operators so that they can get onto our system so that they can improve service for their customers. It's probably a more cost-effective solution for us to get in on a solution that we have built and installed vis-a-vis a solution built by a third-party provider.
Good.
And largely there's a difference in motivation. Our motivation is to improve, you know, the service for our customers. The third-party providers are largely doing it as a profit motive. So they'll build it out, they'll charge the carriers, you know, X, Y, Z in order to you know, improve their bottom line. So we're going at it from a completely different perspective, and that's why our group was formed.